Hello everybody. Hello everybody in Hotspur. Hello to my wonderful trumpeters. Hello to Mr. Johnston. Hope you're all well and happy and healthy. We got a new tune for you now. This one is called This Little Light of Mine. And it's a great tune. It's got a nice little bluesy tune. It's got a blues feel to it. I'm going to record 3 parts. This is the first part. This is going to be the melody, the main tune. Okay. And there's going to be 2 other parts which are supporting melodies, harmonies underneath, okay? So I'll share my screen with you. I'll be in a little corner up here playing, and I'll point to the music with my arrow as I go along, okay? So here comes the music on the screen now. Here it comes, and you'll hear a little click in the background. That's a little metronome to keep me in time and also to help keep you in time. Okay, here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. That's it. I hope you have good fun playing it. Hope you enjoy it. And keep well, keep happy, stay safe. And I hope to see you very, very soon. Okay, take care. Bye now.